Now, Thanksgiving week, we do 6 weeks worth of sales just in that one week. So it's really crazy. Just on that one day, here in Armada, she'll sell 800 or 900 pies. That's like a month's worth of pies all crammed into one day. How do we do that? So, hey, this is our 25th year in business, our 25th Thanksgiving. So it's not our first rodeo. We know what we're doing. It's a very, very careful balancing act. But how do we do it with a limited amount of employees and continue to give service with a smile? All right, so here we are in the Armada shop. It's really warm and cozy in here. For our little community here in Armada that is in a rural area, a lot of the back roads here don't have internet yet, so it's terrible. But we have our free Wi-Fi here, and we've got our nice couches and our espresso machines, so it's a really nice place just to come and work or search the internet, whatever, if you need the internet. In this little store here in Armada, we'll sell 800 or 900 pies on the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So that's like the equivalent of perhaps what Black Friday looks like out in the retail world. So our Black Friday is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. Even the Tuesday before is busy. The Thursday of Thanksgiving, we're even open that morning from 9 to 1 for last minute special order pickups. We do a lot of the banana cream pies then, the banana split pies, so a lot of fresh stuff going out that morning. And then we close and we all go home and enjoy our family dinner with everyone. But so for instance, in this store here in Armada, we have just this double stack oven here. And so this is what we use to make all of our pies every day. And it's not nowhere big enough to be able to bake, upwards to 1,000 pies for that day. So we really count on our bakehouse in Chesterfield to bake all our pies for us and deliver them. So our drivers are a very important component of the whole Thanksgiving week, and we really appreciate them as well. How long have you been working here, Annette?
Oh, since I was 16, and I'm in my 30s now.
Oh, wow. So Annette, what do you work 1 or 2 days a week? Part-time?
1 day.
Okay, good. We appreciate your help.
I do all of the cookie pound packs and the 2-packs and whatever they need around for the little things. I got them all set up.
Yeah, you're a big help. I know they really appreciate
And
you.
I do the delicious coffee of the grinding.
Oh, you do okay. Well, you do a lot of sampling too, free samples when people come in.
Especially for the holidays, they set me up in a little table and I give out our free samples and stuff.
When people come in
take people's emails and this stuff all set up. Usually we do a free pie drawing.
Yeah.
And I usually take the entries for the free pie drawings.
Yeah, that's right. So I remember one time we were having a contest here. I had walked in and I noticed that our guests were not being welcomed as quickly as they should have been. So I said, the person who says, hi, welcome to Achatz, or hi, good morning, welcome, what you looking for, to greet our customers first.
Always with a smile.
With a smile. Remember the prize was like $20 or something?
Mm-hmm.
And who won that?
It was me.
So Annette's probably our most friendly, most welcoming employee that we've ever had. So we're so grateful for you.
Thank you.
So one of the things that we do to prepare for the holidays is we start opening orders to come in for Thanksgiving pies. We call them special orders. So you want to reserve your pie ahead of time, and the earlier we open that up, the better. So it's usually around right after Halloween, or is it before Halloween?
Right before we kind of start to take them, but they don't really pick up until a week or two before Thanksgiving.
Before Thanksgiving. So what do we do to remind customers to hurry up, place your orders for Thanksgiving?
We do a lot of handouts. We do flyers. These are not them, but we do have flyers that we pass out to everybody, and we tell them all about it. So it's just much easier for them anyways. So a lot of them take that opportunity to put their pies in.
Yeah. Our most popular pie, what do you think it is for Thanksgiving?
For Thanksgiving is pumpkin, hands down. And then there's apple that gets picked a lot.
What kind
really
of pumpkin pies, what kind of pumpkin items do we have for Thanksgiving?
So for pumpkin, we have traditional pumpkin. We have pumpkin praline, which is a layer of vanilla bean cheesecake, and then the pumpkin pie on top with the
Pumpkin
walnut
Shelly.
cheesecake. Yes, pumpkin
Shelly.
Shelly praline or something.
Yeah.
So we have that. We have pumpkin cheesecake, autumn harvest, which is pumpkin or pecan pie with a layer of pumpkin silk on top. Mm-hmm. It's amazing. I wait for that one all year long.
Yeah. That's a limited time only.
I know. It kills me every time it leaves.
So here in Armada, we're doing the number crunching. We've been preparing months in advance, and now here we are the week before Thanksgiving. We're really looking at all the details. We're looking at what we think the sales are going to be. We're looking at the labor to make sure that we have enough people on and trained properly. We want to also make sure that we don't run out of anything. We want to make sure we have enough boxes and bags and packaging, and we don't want to run out of anything. So thank you for joining me today at the Armada Pie Shop. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like, you can subscribe to this channel, and every Wednesday I post new videos. So if you would like to bring Achatz pies to your holiday table, you can place an order. I've included a link below, and you can pick up in any one of our pie shops here in the Metro Detroit area. But if you would like a mail order pie, I've also included a link below for that too, and we ship pies all across the US. So if you feel inspired to make your own holiday pies, I've included a link below where we show you how to make the perfect pie. From all of us here at Achatz Handmade Pie Company, we wish you and yours a very happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next week.